Streaming errors. What happens if you get a streaming error? So let's go to click on stream. And if it doesn't go to yellow and then red, but comes up with this, then you need to reset your Facebook up and your YouTube if you do publish to YouTube. So here's your destination. You're going to click on that and choose Facebook. And then you're going to click on Facebook settings. You'll have to log in. So log into Facebook. In this case, I'm using mine just for the tutorial. Login process completed. Go back to vMix, and when you hover over this one, if you just go to this, you'll miss these other screens that are open. So go back down here to vMix and go to the Facebook deal right there, and then it says share on your own timeline. You'll click that and choose your church page. In this case, I'm going to choose DRJ Church, new stream. I'm going to put a title, and we'll just call that Calvary Tabernacle, and then description, live stream service, and then click create stream. All right, and then click close and save and close, and then go back to vMix, and when you click on stream, it'll wait a few seconds before it turns yellow, depending on your internet speed, and there it is, red. It's streaming now. So go ahead and stop that. And that's how that you troubleshoot if something's wrong with the stream.